Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have spoilers for the Boxycharm box for the month of October. The standard Boxycharm box is $21, but starting in October, it's going to increase to $25. And we're also going to have a second box, which is the Boxycharm Premium, also known as 2.0, which will be $35. Today's spoiler is a variation item. So remember, this you cannot customize. The first item is from Paula's Choice, and this is a 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. And now for the next item, from Smashbox, you have the Always On liquid eyeliner. And if you sign up for Boxycharm, you will receive a free Becca setting powder, which has a retail value of $39. And this is while supplies last. So what do you guys think of the spoilers so far? Now remember, these are variation items. But if I was able to pick, I think I would go for the liner. What would you choose? Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a spoiler. As always guys, I love you and I'll catch you in the comments below. Have a blessed day.